slicing and indexing can be quite tedious sometimes, but we have to understand it because it is important. Okay. So next is slicing. So here I'm using a range function. Well, this is Python function range. Since I'm using NP array, so that's going to be expanded out, and I'm reshaping to 5 by 6. Okay, so that's the array, and we want to slice the array now. Okay, 2 to 4. So it's the same thing like indexing. So 2 to 4, okay, 0, 1, 2. So starting from 2, 3. So there are only 2 elements here, these 2 lists. Okay. We can assign new values to the slices. So if we say ARR2, 2 to 4 equal to 10, then 10 is assigned to those 2 elements everywhere. Again, it is broadcasted and 10 is assigned everywhere. Okay. So now here is another example. From the beginning till 3 in the first dimension, and starting from 3 to everything else. So from the beginning till 3, so not including 3, so it will be 0, 1, 2. So these 3 rows, and starting from 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 everywhere. So those elements are now 100. Okay. So here is the example of how slicing is done. Okay. Now, if you take the slice, so here we did not save the slice somewhere else. Suppose if you take that slice and save it, right? Like x equal to that. So then that slice will get saved, but the important thing is a copy is not saved, only a reference is saved. Okay. So if you change the copy afterwards, okay, you slice, save it in X, and you go and change the X, then the original will also get changed. So saved slices are only references, not copies. Changes made to the slices are made to the original. Okay, use copy if the original should not be modified. If you do want a copy, then you have to use the copy method. There is a method copy, and you'd use that. So this behavior is only true for NumPy. It's only in NumPy that when you do slices, only a reference is saved of the slices and not a copy. Okay. Now create a 3 by 4 NumPy array. Oh, this is the one that we did at the end of class last time, which somehow was in number 8. Okay. So 11 is you want to create, so let's say AR Q11, okay, and np.array. Okay, so what do we want this array to be? We want 3 by 4 array with a range. So we can you can use a range here like this, right? You want 12 numbers. Okay, so then this will be the Python range, and then the np.array would give you the array. Or we can use NP-A range that will also do the same thing. Okay. So we will use the NP functions because NP functions are normally more efficient, faster. Okay. Now we want this to be reshaped to 3 by 4. So you do reshape 3, 4. All right. So we want 159. Okay, we want to extract a slice 159, and what would that be? ARQ11, how would you do that? In the first dimension, which is these three, you want all of them. So yeah, so you need a colon for that. And in the second dimension, you want the index number 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, right? So that will give you 1, 5, and 9.